Imagine for a moment that you were able to copy and paste your nail bar one last time. You will never have to copy and paste and schedule another nail bar tediously every single post that you do. Just imagine it for a second. And then realize that post my party is that reality. I am so excited to show you Post My Party. This is the most innovative software I have ever used. Sorry to the SynShare, but this is way high above it. And there are things inside of this that they didn't have, and they probably, hopefully, have copyrighted and patented or whatever they need to do because it's genius. And it's going to help you immensely. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and log in to my Post My Party. And what I cannot wait to show you is that, first of all, there's a lot of how-tos here, and they're right on the front screen. So if you are not getting all the information you need from me, you can watch these first, and then if you need more information, you can definitely reach out. But I really just want to show you the most exciting part of this whole thing, which is the template, okay? So your template is going to look like this. You're going to click on templates and you're going to click on list, and that'll bring you to, if you have 5 templates, they're all going to show up here, okay? So you're going to go to your list, and you're going to go into edit, and what you're going to see is, if I click on this post, how I have it set up. Okay, so welcome to Post's Fall Nail Bar. Here is the link to shop, and as you see, link is in brackets. Okay, there's another section down here, I believe, where I have link. There it is. Use your hostess's personal link. So this is not even spelled right, but whatever. Grammar, please. Shh. Okay, so this is the most important and exciting part that sets this software apart from any other posting software or website. This right here, because let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so when you go into, we're going to go into Teresa's nail bar. When you go into Teresa's nail bar, you're going to see she's already liked a bunch of the stuff. She's very interactive. She loves her nails. But this is that post that I was just showing you. The picture is different. I went ahead and changed it. But this is that post. And what you see here is that her name is there and that her link to shop is there and there, but I didn't put it there. All I did was put those brackets in the template. And then when I went to go ahead and actually schedule the party, let me show you how that works. So I'm going to go to parties, schedule new, and you're going to go ahead and put 3-day nail bar, personal group. We're just going to joke that it's going to be the bikini boot camp challenge. Back when I used to be able to kind of wear a bikini. But no, you're gonna actually put the group that you want this to go to, obviously. But you have to click personal group and then the group name and then what date you want it to start on. So say it's the 20th, it should be the next day because you probably have early morning posts. And the time zone that they're in. So that's really cool. Like if you have people in California, you can go ahead and put their time zone in. So obviously mine will be Eastern time, wherever the heck that is. Anyway, So you find your time zone, and then this is where you put Teresa. And then this is where you go into your parties and you go to view open parties and you take Teresa's link and you copy it and you paste it. And now everywhere that you see those host or link, it's going to put that right in there for you. So the reason that that is so cool now, because I'm not actually going to, I'm going back to parties because I wasn't creating a whole new party. Everywhere that those things are, you're going to see, we're going to use Teresa again, that her name is, okay? So Teresa, and all the other ones showed brackets, right? So as you can see, it'll tell you when you have a duplicated post. And since I will be going live in all 3 of these nail bars at the same time through my business page, I need that to be duplicated because they all need to know that in 15 minutes, it's going to go ahead and kick off. So, sorry, I just need to change this real quick. Okay. So that is that, right? So when you go into template and say you want to add a new template, actually, no, let's do this first. So when you go to, right now we're in templates, we're in the list, and you're going to see when you create a new, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Okay, when you go to schedule a new party, this is what you're going to see. All of these, right? And then you're going to create, and then once you've created this party and added all of this information that they ask you for, keep in mind that you still need to go into the VO because this is not connected to our virtual office. You still need to go into the VO and you still need to create the party in the VO because that's where the shopping link is going to come from. And you also still need to go into Facebook and you still need to create a group because that is where it's going to post to. So there's 3 different things that you're doing, but they're a lot quicker than copying, pasting every post and having to do that every time. So what you're going to notice when you go to a party is it's going to tell you when you have a duplicated post. All of these are going to have duplicated posts because I needed them too. But when you are posting a whole new party, like all of these parties, all 3 of them are a half hour apart. So one is this will post at 7 o'clock. So one of them, this will post at 7. One of them, it's going to post at 6:30. One of them, it's going to post at 6. Because I went in here and I did a 30-minute adjustment for one of them. And I did an hour adjustment for the other. And what that does is adjusts every single post in here by that amount of time. So you don't duplicate posts and you don't get thrown in jail because you're duplicating posts. You can do them, you can stagger them as little as a minute if you want to, but I just chose to be on the safe side and go a half an hour and an hour. You can also go half hour in the future. So whatever you think is best, go for it. Okay. So I really think that is a full tutorial. They have really how to do everything in here. If you go to dashboard, you'll find these tutorials and they're going to be very technical and show you exactly how to do everything. But I so I don't want this to be too long of a tutorial. I just wanted this to show you like the gist of why this software is so exciting. And I want to show you that it works. And this is it working right here. You know what I mean? So here is my little video. Here, I'll show you my video real quick so that you can see. So welcome to Teresa's Nail Bar. Obviously, that was a bracket that said host. I'm Heather Engelsman, the stylist who will be creating this experience for you with our amazing host, Teresa, who invited you. I'm super excited to get to know you this week. We are going to have an awesome time together. So if you wanted, because they actually allow you the ability to take your template and enable the template to be shared, and what you'd be giving them is a link. So I'm not going to do that because I think that taking the time and making it your own is very important. But if you wanted to do that for a new stylist, then your text that you have the ability to put in there could be like and then, so like everywhere you have your name, you could put brackets that say text and it would insert their name. So you would just say, when you get to the text part, just put your name and it'll always say their name. So that is something that you can do if for a new stylist, if you want them to try and use this. But you'll want to let them know there is a $9.95 charge per month for this. So anyway, so I'm Heather Engelsman, the stylist who will be creating this experience for you. This wording is all from the 3-Day Nail Bar. And I created a video. And hi ladies, my name is Heather Engelsman and I am the facilitator of this nail bar. And my VIP group on Facebook is Positively Nailed by Heather. To everyone, invite, and welcoming them in. And I even have like a Tuesday, and I peel the Tuesday and I show them like what the actual product is. And I kind of place it on my nail, but I don't, because that's what the demo's for, and I didn't want to mess up my mani. So like if this is something that you're comfortable with, create a video and make it look fun. Like I just took a silly selfie and I thought it was funny, so I used it as my thumbnail in YouTube. So, and then when I posted that, the way that I did that was in my add new post, I used a website link or a video link. And then I put the I put the YouTube video link there. So anywho, that is all. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope that you find it as useful as I do. Just take an hour or two one night and set it all up and give it a try for your next nail bar. I guarantee you're going to be stupefied. So I will talk to you all soon. Bye, ladies.